In recent videos, we were looking at the fast flashing red, green, blue LED. They change color automatically based on how much current is given to the red, the green, or the blue LED. It does that automatically though. We're going to look at the red, green, blue common cathode light changing LED. You can see the voltage that it should block about 3.2, 3.4 volts while forward bias, and a maximum of 20 milliamps of current through each LED. So, in any case, the cathode here, since it's common, it's the long lead right there on the component there. And so, I have a 5-volt power supply. I just turned the power on, and so we're going to put the long lead to this jumper, which goes to that jumper, to the negative rail right there. And we'll just try to shimmy in the other pins. They're all different lengths, and so that we have them lined up there. 2 above and then 2 below. And there we go. So we got all 4 of them in there now, and I think it will look better with a lower light. So what we're going to do, take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and go to the top pin up there. And you can see we have a blue light. Down a little more, we have a green light. And then down a little bit more, or down at the very bottom there, we have the red LED. And so that one's not way too obnoxious for the camera. So what we can do now is take another 1 kilo ohm resistor and put that to the blue LED wire. And you can see we got kind of a purple. It looks more purple in person. And camera's not doing a wonderful job. That one's pretty green. So the blue and the green are a lot more powerful than the red one. So what I'm going to do, it's a 1 kilo ohm resistor there. I'm going to take a 10 kilo ohm resistor here and put that to the blue one. And we got kind of a purple. It's a little less red, a little more purple. Let's go to the green. But this is really all you have to do to change the colors. So there's green, kind of a yellow, not too bad yellow. So this is frosted over. The self-flashing ones that I have were clear, and so they kind of emitted the light slightly different directions, and the frosted over looks good. So I'm trying to find a good thing to just kind of lightly coat over them to hopefully get them to diffuse better. But in any case, we can also go to blue, green, and blue, and we got a little more of a whitish color. It's not that white in person, but it is kind of a whitish color. Looks more white on camera. I'm going to pull this one out, and we got the blue and the red again, and again a lot more current going through the red because it doesn't show up as much. If I put these in parallel to the blue, we get a little more bluish purple right there. So that's because there's 2 of them in parallel. We're getting twice the current, and so it's going to be twice as blue with as just 1 resistor. That's one thing to remember when you put resistors in parallel. It's like having, if they're equal value, half the equivalent resistance, because you'll have twice the current. They'll both be passing the same amount of current. So in any case, that is really about it for this LED. You can get pretty much any color you want just by changing the amount of current going through each individual LED of a different color. So red, green, and blue, those particular colors. So hope you found this component interesting, and I will see you in the next video.